Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about preparation of parabromoaniline. This is very common particle in organic lab. So the aim of this particle to study the hydrolysis of parabromoacetanilide. What is the principle? Parabromoacetanilide undergoes hydrolysis in the presence of conc HCl to form parabromoaniline. This is the hydrolysis reaction, deacylation. The chemicals used: parabromoacetanilide 4 grams, concentrated hydrochloric acid 5 ml, ethyl alcohol 8 ml, and 5% sodium hydroxide. What apparatus used? Round bottom flask, water condenser. What is the procedure? Dissolve 4 gram of parabromoacetanilide in 8 ml of boiling ethanol containing in a 100 ml round bottom flask. Add 5 ml of conc HCl dropwise to the boiling solution. Reflux for 30 to 40 minutes. Dilute the reaction mixture with 50 ml of water, whereby parabromoaniline is formed. Neutralize the acidic solution with 5% sodium hydroxide until alkaline. Parabromoaniline separates as oil, which crystallizes by adding ice in filter. You do recrystallization with alcohol. The melting point 66 degrees Celsius. So friends, actually what is the mechanisms and what is the reaction, that is the importance. You see, parabromoacetanilide react with conc HCl and ethanol C2H5OH. It gives parabromoaniline. You deacylations. This is acylations. Now this place where hydrolysis done. So you can see acidic approaching this lone pair of electron or lone pair of electron to this proton and forming this, and the shifting of these double bonds on oxygen forming carbocation, and then this lone pair of electron atomic on this carbon and forming this, and this aniline hydrogen trapping, and you can see NH plus, and then the shifting of this oxygen and hydrogens and breaking of this carbon and nitrogen bonds, so forming parabromoaniline CH3COOH. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.